Do you want to learn how to easily test function-critical and safety-relevant components? Then I recommend watching this video to the end. What are the function-critical and safety-relevant components for the automotive industry? Safety-relevant components for the automotive industry are, for example, ball pins, wheel hubs, or components for the seat belts. And function-critical components for the automotive industry are, for example, drive shafts, camshafts, or piston pins. With our TCL, testing becomes remarkably simple for everyone. So let's have a quick look to our user interface before we begin testing. Firstly, you'll need to create a new test definition in which you can save your optimal test settings. Within the parameter settings, you can select your frequency. For this instance, we've chosen 2000 Hz. Your desired harmonic, in this case F3. A more detailed explanation on harmonics can be provided in another video coming soon. Your maximum current, I'll choose 80%. And your trigger type is manual. The subsequent step involves calibrating good and bad parts. A typical example distinguishing between good and bad parts could be the disparity between hardened and non-hardened samples. The objective is to distinctly separate both types of parts before initiating tests. First, I will grab a good part and mark as OK and trigger. Following the calibration of the second part, the TCL automatically exhibits a threshold around the parts, as you can see here. I grab the third part, trigger. So now we have the other parts as marked as not OK. Grab them, put them in the coil and trigger. Once your setup is complete, let's proceed to test some samples. To do so, select your test field, push the button Start, acquire parts for testing, grab some other parts from here, and determine if they are hardened or not. So grab a part and trigger. So it's hardened. The other is not hardened, so bad. That one is not hardened as well. This one is hardened, so it's a good part. Not hardened. And hardened. As demonstrated here, the test was successful, distinguishing bad or not OK parts in red and good or OK parts in green. As you can see, FOERSTER has made the testing process incredibly straightforward for everyone. So with our new TCL, you don't need an extensive expertise or hours of training. The only thing you need is to watch this short video, and I'm confident that anyone can perform this test. So try it out yourself and invest in an affordable testing system.